Well, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. You're with me, Jake from Harlow Town Fans TV. And today I'm doing a foghorn and tour vlog as I travel to Crofters End, which is Sawbridgeworth's ground, to watch Sawbridgeworth Town take on Tower Hamlets in the Peter Butcher Memorial Trophy. I've tried to find the scores from this season but couldn't find them anywhere between them two already. But hopefully it'll be a good game and full of a lot of goals. Now, obviously, where I don't live in Sawbridgeworth, I live in Harlow, I will do a bit of a travel vlog of how I'm getting there. So I'm going to get the bus up there. But bus is coming back. If it does go into extra time, I'm not too sure if these competitions do or not, then I may have to sneak out early. But you'll get at least a full 90 minutes, but we hope it won't go that far. I will go and bear the cold so you can watch the highlights. Thank you as always, and like, share and subscribe.
Still keep playing if the lights go out. Saturday and then they go down as day off on Boxing Day. Loads of other people there. Mind you, the last Saturday before Christmas, you won't get many people there, will you?
No, they're shocking, aren't they?
You must have got involved that day. Oh, dear.
Oof. Half time here at Crofters End. It's Sawbridgeworth Town 0, Tower Hamlets 1. The game started off quite end to end, but Tower Hamlets got into the game more as the first half went on. Couple of good saves from the Sawbridgeworth goalkeeper. Bear in mind it is actually a right midfielder in goal for them tonight, and a lovely taken goal by Tower Hamlets. Second half, Sawbridgeworth will really need to improve to get anything out of this game, but we'll see how it gets on against the Tower Hamlets, basically their youth side.
Oh yeah, that was the clinic.
Do the full-time bit in the ground as I actually managed to get left from one of the old boys that goes to Harlow Town. He was there. It was a good game, to be fair. 2-0 to Tower Hamlets, as you can see. Tower Hamlets playing really good football along the floor. Sawbridgeworth a better second half, but unfortunately didn't have the conviction to go on and get something from the game. Thanks for Sawbridgeworth Town for having me down, and good luck to both teams in the rest of your season.